1970 Chevrolet Custom C10 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Classic look with the turquoise and white two-tone combination. Underneath the hood, 350 5.7 liter Vortec engine, actually one of the ones with the one-piece rear main seal. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front in this one. If you want to check out the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, go ahead and click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see paint shows well in this one. Nice shine to it. Great truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight. It's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Trim pieces, bright work, looking good. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little bit closer. Nice vinyl bench seat in there. This does have the spray and bed liner also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Yeah, look how straight that is. That's a long panel. Dual exhaust does have Hedman headers on it. True dual exhaust coming out the rear. We're going to pop the hood, take a peek at that engine. Very nice looking engine bay on this one. Start it up, let you hear it run. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. And once again, look at how straight these panels are. Condition of the paint. This truck will definitely turn some heads. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, let's take a little closer look here. There is a aftermarket stereo in the glove box. That's working. Had that on a little bit ago. Door panel painted to match in the turquoise. There it is. Black vinyl seat, no rips, tears, holes. Looks good. Pretty stock looking dash. That's why they incorporated the newer stereo into the glove box. Do have a different wheel. Padded dash. Both visors intact. Has a temp gauge underneath the dash, a little aftermarket one that is working, so you don't have to deal with the temp gauge in the dash. It's down below. All right. Battery gauge, oil pressure, fuel. Appears to be working. Electric fuel pump. Hear that? Ooh, listen to this. Okay, door closes nicely. Good sounding truck, and again, that 5.7 liter, one of the Vortec 350s, that one-piece rear main seal. Hedman headers and that dual exhaust doing its job. Let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood quick, take a peek at this engine bay, show you the power plant. It's good looking. Let me pause it a second. Like I said, stick around to the very end too. You can see how this truck drives down the road. All right, underside of the hood. Here it is. So again, power steering, power brakes. See the headers. HEI ignition. 4-barrel carb on there. Aluminum radiator with shroud. Nice, simple, clean, and tidy. Get in, turn the key and go. Enjoy, have some fun. 1970 Chevrolet Custom C10. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1970 Chevrolet C10. Looking good in a teal color with some white on the sides. Black vinyl bench seat in this truck. Brakes are working very well. Turn signal also working. This is an automatic on the column, as you can see. Really good exhaust note coming out of this truck. We have an aftermarket digital radio in the glove box. Battery gauge is showing a little over half. The factory temperature gauge is cold, but underneath that is one by Equus, and that is showing about 170. Still warming up perhaps. Oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up the factory gauge, and the fuel gauge is half full. Speedometer showing 50 miles an hour, and that seems about right. Wipers work on this truck. Blower motor also works. Running a little bit of heat today on this little bit damp morning. Great running truck, smooth running down the road. Stays right in the lane, doesn't turn to either side when you let go of the wheel, so good alignment. Again, brakes are feeling good. This truck corners nicely. Power steering, easy to steer. Tires let go a little bit there with the damp blacktop, as the transmission did kick down as it should. Excellent running C10. Take a look at all the pictures under the hood, under the truck, anything you want to see over at uniqueclassiccars.com.